Have you ever wondered why your laundry machine or even your freshly washed clothes still smell bad? Most people don't really know where the smell comes from. Here's the truth. Washing machines require regular cleaning and maintenance. How you maintain it decides whether your laundry smells fresh or like a damp basement. When we try to look up how to clean a washer online, it's all over the place. Some say use vinegar, others insist on baking soda. Some say never to mix the two, others say use them in separate cycles. It's just so confusing. So in this video, I'm going to break it all down. I'll explain what really causes smells in your washing machine, what you actually need to clean your washing machine properly, the 4 key areas you must clean, where vinegar should actually be used and why baking soda isn't really necessary, and how to keep your washer fresh every day. Without further ado, let's get into today's video. When your washer smells, 2 things are usually the cause: fatty acids and bacteria. First, sweat doesn't just contain water. It also carries oils and fatty acids from our skin. These oxidize quickly and give off a sour smell. Second, bacteria and mold love to feed on those fatty acids. That's when the bad smell becomes stronger, harder to remove, and it sticks to your laundry. To clean your washer properly, you'll need a few things: a cleaning cloth or towel, an old toothbrush, a spray bottle, some vinegar, dish soap, and alkaline laundry detergent. Most detergent that advertise sweat odor removal are likely to be alkaline, so chances are you already have it at home. Before we start the cleaning process, first grab the spray bottle, add 1 tablespoon of vinegar and 1 teaspoon of dish soap, then fill the rest with water. This simple DIY mix will be our go-to cleaner for most of the areas we'll clean up today. Now let's get into the 4 spots you absolutely must clean. 3 of them are spots you can actually see and reach, and 1 of them is hidden inside the machine, but is often the main cause of bad smells. First, the detergent drawer. Over time, detergent and softener residue builds up here. If you see black spots or slimy gunk, that's mold. To clean it, spray your vinegar and soap mix. Scrub with the toothbrush. Next, the rubber gasket around the door. This thick rubber ring traps water, lint, and dirt, and is one of the worst places for mold. Pull back the folds, spray your mix, scrub with the toothbrush, and wipe it completely dry. Third, the drain filter at the bottom of your washer. This area collects hair, lint, and sometimes coins or even buttons. To clean it, place a bowl underneath, drain this water hose, unscrew the filter, rinse it under hot water, scrub it, and wipe inside before putting it back. It might look gross, but don't worry, that's normal. Finally, the drum and the hidden drain pipe. Even though the drum looks shiny, residue sticks to the walls, but the real troublemaker is the drain pipe down here. It holds standing water, and over time, fatty acids, lint, and dust form greasy sludge. This is often the #1 reason your laundry smells musty. So how do we deep clean it? Here's the exact process. Step 1. Alkaline soak. First, make sure the washer is turned off. Pour about 6 ounces of alkaline detergent into the drum. Fill the drum with the hottest water from your tap, right up to the rim. Be careful not to overflow. Let's soak it for 30 minutes. Now you might be wondering, why not just use baking soda? Baking soda only has some dispersing effects, but it doesn't really stop grime from reattaching to the drum and pipes. On top of that, if the water isn't hot enough to dissolve all the baking soda, it can clump together and stick in unexpected spots, causing even more buildup. That's why an alkaline laundry detergent is the better choice. It dissolves completely, keeps residue suspended, and actually washes it all away. Step 2. High temperature wash. After soaking for 30 minutes, run your washer on the hottest cycle. This heat and speed will break down the loosened fatty acids and wash them away. Warning: do not add vinegar here. Vinegar is acidic. It cancels out the alkaline detergent, then makes the grime reattach and creates the same smelly environment again. So always keep the drum and pipes alkaline. To keep your washer fresh long term, always remove laundry right after washing. Leave the door open so the inside dries completely. Do a deep clean like this every month or two. Moisture is enemy. No moisture means far less bacteria growth and no more stinky laundry. If you're curious about the alkaline detergent I personally recommend, check the pinned comment below. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more cleaning tips, and leave any questions down in the comments. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.